Day 2, and the cabinets are in the building. This is when it really counts to be an excellent neighbor. Oh my God, look at all these boxes. I can sigh. Day 3, and we hit our first major roadblock. As many times as I dot an I and cross a T, somebody else can make an error. After opening all the boxes, we realized that 7 of the 17 boxes had the wrong either measurement or cabinet in it. These go back to the manufacturer, but unfortunately it's a holiday that is being observed and the manufacturing company is closed till Monday. Big disappointment. In a classic example of crap happens, one does what one must. So we started anyway. The south wall is pretty much in. This pantry came with the hinges on the wrong side, but my contractor was able to switch those. The ceiling cabinets are looking pretty damn good. The base cabinets are here for the south wall. The gray tone looks a little bit more espresso, but we love it. Refrigerator goes right there. It will go in the next day. You can see that the appliances are starting to go in. The microwave kind of disappears into the wood tone, so that looks great. Cabinetry to the ceiling makes up for all the cabinets we lost. These are supposed to be glass fronts, so they're going back to the manufacturer to change it out. And the sink base is in, but the sink won't come in until the counters go in. Next to the sink base goes the dishwasher. On top of the dishwasher was supposed to be another 30-inch, 36-inch cabinet, and it was improperly measured, so it doesn't fit. That's going back to the manufacturer. The one that sits on top of it was supposed to be the same dimension, only 15 inches high, and it doesn't fit, and it doesn't get made in the size we need. So we're going to get a smaller size and make do. That's day 3 and day 4. Major step forward with a few hiccups in the road, but we are looking good. Day 5, and I am very excited to see a sample of the quartz that's going to be sitting on our countertops. Look at that. Beautiful match to the floor. Nice thick slab. Has a real marble look, although it's more durable and much more resistant to scratches and heat. And that gets measured today. Okay, measuring for the granite.
Yeah.
Well, in this case,
36
the quartz.
is good.
Well, it's day 5 of week 3. The paper is pulled up, the cleaning has begun, the plastic walls are down, and while this is hardly the big reveal, we're starting to get an idea of what this kitchen is going to look like. There's the wall gone. That's the old countertop just for effect. The appliances are in. We're waiting for some glass doors here and a couple of missing units there. I love that the appliances just sort of blend right in. This wall has got tons of storage. Barn doors of the fridge actually open up all the way now, which is lovely. And there is the view of the rest of the place, which will eventually be looking a hell of a lot better than it is now. There it is. Let's take another peek from the other side. From the living room, everything is pretty exposed. All that's missing now is, well, all the finishing touches. The hardware, the pendants, the details. The electrician will come in and help finish up all of that. And that is the end of week 3.